There's nothing worse than arriving at your destination only to find your toiletries leaking, tangled, or worse, lost in the abyss of your luggage. A good toiletry bag isn't just about storage, it's about keeping your essentials organized, accessible, and protected, whether you're jet-setting across the globe or heading out for a weekend getaway. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best toiletry bags for travel, each offering unique features to fit different needs. From sleek personalized designs to heavy-duty organizers with waterproof compartments, we've got you covered. Stick around till the end to find your perfect match, and don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals. Number 5. YOOLIFE Travel Toiletry Bag, personalized and compact. Starting off our list at number 5 is the YOOLIFE Travel Toiletry Bag, a sleek and water-resistant organizer perfect for men who want a touch of personalization. This bag comes with a high-density embroidered initial. Choose from letters like R or opt for a plain design, making it a great gift for husbands, fathers, or even yourself. Measuring 9.4 by 5.5 by 6.3 inches, it's compact yet roomy enough to fit essentials like an electric shaver, facial cleanser, or travel-sized bottles. The interior features 2 separate waterproof PVC pockets to keep wet and dry items apart, plus a mesh zipper pocket for smaller items like toothbrushes or razors. What we love: the durable, easy-to-clean material and the fact that it doubles as a makeup bag or gym storage. It's ideal for business trips or quick getaways where organization matters. Plus, YOOLIFE offers a 24-hour customer service guarantee, so you're covered if any issues pop up. Number 4. AvaJex Hanging Toiletry Bag, best for large capacity. If you're the type who packs everything, from full-size shampoo bottles to skincare routines, the AvaJex Hanging Toiletry Bag is your savior. With 19 compartments, this bag is a beast of organization, earning it the number 4 spot. Made from premium odorless polyester, it's waterproof, lightweight, and built to last with YKK zippers and a 360-degree metal swivel hook that lets you hang it anywhere. Hotel bathrooms, gyms, you name it. The see-through mesh pockets make finding your toothpaste or moisturizer a breeze, while the reinforced handle and double-stitch seams ensure it won't fall apart mid-trip. At 12.2 by 10.6 inches, it's TSA-friendly and comes in 7 colors, including a stylish crimson red and jet black. Reviewers rave about its leak-proof pockets, no more spilled liquids ruining your clothes. It's also a fantastic gift for Mother's Day or birthdays, especially for travelers who love order and chaos. Number 3. Telena Hanging Toiletry Bag, budget-friendly and spacious. Coming in at number 3 is the Telena Hanging Toiletry Bag, a budget-friendly pick that doesn't skimp on space or functionality. This bag unfolds to 33 inches when hung, giving you a portable dressing table with 4 compartments, including mesh pockets and elastic straps to secure bottles upright. The water-resistant PU leather and quick-drying mesh make it perfect for damp environments like showers or poolside trips. It even has a hidden back pocket for extras like hair ties or travel documents. While it's not as heavy-duty as the AvaJex, it's lighter, just 1.1 pounds, and currently 25% off on Amazon. For under $30, it's a steal for families or solo travelers who want visibility and easy access without the premium price tag. Number 2. Travel Duffel Bag with Toiletry Compartment, 2-in-1 versatility. Why settle for just a toiletry bag when you can get a full 27-liter duffel with one included? The Travel Duffel Bag by Sports News snags our number 2 spot for its all-in-one design. This TSA-approved carry-on has a dedicated shoe compartment, a waterproof wet pocket for swimsuits or sweaty gym clothes, and even a free toiletry bag tucked inside. The luggage trolley sleeve and passport pocket make airport dashes smoother, while the sponge-padded straps ensure comfort during long treks. At $36.99, with a 40% off coupon at the time of filming, it's a no-brainer for weekend trips or gym sessions. Toss in a week's worth of clothes, your toiletries, and shoes, all without juggling multiple bags. Number 1. IUI Genuine Leather Toiletry Bag, luxury pick. And now, the creme de la creme, the IUI 100% genuine leather toiletry bag. This handmade Crazy Horse leather bag is the epitome of timeless luxury, perfect for men who appreciate heirloom quality craftsmanship. The scratch-resistant leather develops a unique patina over time, adding character with every trip. Inside, reinforced compartments keep razors and toiletries secure, while the smooth zipper and sturdy handle make it as functional as it is elegant. Though it's not fully waterproof, it's splash-resistant and ideal for business travelers or as a gift for dads to his husbands. Priced at $39.99 with a 25% coupon, it's an investment in style and durability. Because why shouldn't your toiletry bag look as good as the rest of your gear? And there you have it. The top 5 toiletry bags to keep your travels mess-free and organized. Whether you need max storage, budget picks, or luxury vibes, one of these bags will fit the bill. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel gear reviews. All product links are in the description. Check them out and grab those exclusive Amazon coupons before they're gone. Happy travels!